Welcome back to part 3 of the World Taekwondo Global Management System tutorial for event creation. In part 2 we had left off at the sub-events and we will be continuing from there in this video. Under the sub-events you can add the different roles that you would like to be able to register for this event. In this case we will choose athletes first, where you can choose to add from a pre-created list of world and Olympic sub-events and divisions, or you can create a new one. To start with, as this is Sweden National Kyoto-gi Open, we will be adding the Kyoto-gi divisions. Those are the cadets, juniors and senior divisions. Simply click on add for these three and you would be adding these sub-events. Then to proceed, you can either edit the name here or you can remove these. Further, to view the division, you can see the different divisions under this sub-event. For the senior division, we have the world and Olympic divisions already included. So if in case you're having a world weight division event, you will need to delete or remove the 2 extra Olympic divisions. In this case, which would be the F plus 67 kilograms and the M plus 80 kilograms. To delete, all you need to do is click on this here, and then once it's deleted, you would get this message. And then we delete another division. As you can see, that was a very simple task. Now we will proceed to add a sub event. So we can, as we've seen, we've added from the existing for athletes. We can also create a new one. Say it is the children 8 role as an athlete, and I will click on submit, and there you see a new sub event has been added. So as there are no pre-created divisions for this sub event, you will need to add this manually. Now there are the different settings where you can choose, as it's a Kyoto-gi event, so you say female minus 29 kgs. This could be the name of the division. You can add spaces or remove, where you can determine the date of birth here, which is the after or before date of birth. Currently this is not available and will be available in the future. You can also determine the minimum weight and the maximum weight, which could be displayed for this. These are functions that will be available to you in the future. The primary case in point being that you have these different options, and all of these will be available in the near future here. Now, do competitors need to be a para athlete? If you click yes, only para athletes would be able to register in the future. Then the belt rank requirements, you can choose if members registering for this division need to have a Kuki 1 belt rank, national belt rank, or either or none of them. Again, will be available in the future, and you can also be able to restrict the number of contestants for this division, say for example 15, and will be available then you can choose this gender can participate. So if you want only male, if this is a female division in this case, so you will choose only female. You can also choose male or female depending on the division that you're creating. Once you have entered the relevant details, all you need to do is click on save, and there you go, you have just added a division. If in case you would like to edit it, that is possible at any point of time, and say you want to make this a national belt rank event only, and you click on save, and there you go. That's how you can always edit, remove and update any details that you would like. Following on, the next step is for the sponsors and promoters logo. If in case you would like to have your sponsors get some visibility or your promoters to get visibility, you can add the logo. So in this case, it's being promoted by the Swedish Taekwondo Union, and you can enter the URL, and when you click on document, you can choose the file and upload the logo. Once that is done, all you need to do is click on save, and this would then be available on the event summary page. You can, once entered all this information, click on continue. Then if in case you would like to make different documents available to the members that are registering, which could be an event outline, it could be related to the transportation or booking processes, or it could be hotel booking forms. Any of these forms can also be made available here, and all you need to do is click on choose file to upload them, and they will be able to access and download these files. Then following on, the last step of the event creations is enabling or not enabling the travel detail rules. Through the travel detail rules, you can collect accommodation details, you can allow either edits to them, you can also collect flight details if in case you do expect many of the members to be flying in to the destination. Then you can allow edits to these. You can also keep a track of rooms. For example, you have 100 rooms that are made available through the organizing committee. You can inform members of this, and then they will be able to choose from here. And if in case you're hosting an international event and you would be facilitating visa invitation letters, you could also manage that through here in the system. You can enter different hotel options here. Say for example, enter the stars. You can write a short description which could include information like the facilities on offer, the type of rooms that are available, key distances like distance from the venue, distance from any local attractions. Any such information can be added on this description, and you can have an email address entered here so that they can be informed. So you can add different room types, and you can add multiple hotel choices. If in case you're offering a 5-star, 4-star and 3-star property, you can have the 3 different options shown here. If in case there is any particular custom text you would like to enter, that would be displayed before members register, like this could be related to the cancellation policy, any deadlines that you would like to make them aware of, you can do that from the custom text over here. Once you've done this, you click on finish, and you would have now created your event on the page. This event would be available to all members that do log into your organization's GMS website. Thank you for watching this tutorial.